Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student PREETHA. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share experience about PySpiders.
My name is PREETHA. I'm from Hassan, Beirut. I completed my graduation from Rajajinagar Institute of Technology, Mangalore. I joined PySpiders at the month of June. I started with the K-Serve batch in the Python, where I completely gained the knowledge about the Python from the basics to the advanced concepts also, and where I attended the grooming boot camps that helped me a lot, and the mock was helped me to crack the interviews. They have provided me many interviews, and I have attended the Django from Alexa, where I learned completely in the full stack development field, and web technology from Umashakar sir, and data analytics from Vijay sir. That completed my full stack development of the Python, which helped me to pace for I have attended many companies, and they provided me the opportunity, and they have boosted my strength to that.
Okay. Wish him all the best for further career.